Say hello to The Collective at Lubbock, a cozy student home in vibrant Lubbock, designed with soothing colors, student necessities, and close campus access. These en-suites and 2 to 5 bedroom apartments are simply too cute, featuring plush bedroom carpeting, spacious walk-in closets, in-unit laundry to skip laundromat trips, and stainless steel appliances for unmatched comfort. With lightning-fast Wi-Fi and cable included in your rent, connectivity and entertainment cost nothing extra. Dive into the sparkling pool to refresh after school, power through projects in private study spaces, then hit the fitness center to distress. Spend weekends grilling in the picnic area. And bring your pets along, they're welcome here. With reliable on-site maintenance, courtesy officers, roommate matching, and an Amazon hub locker system, convenience is built in. Hey, look, Texas Tech University is minutes on foot, and Lubbock Christian University is just a quick drive away. Plus, buses from the Collective, the Block, and Broadway Street make transit smooth and easy. So go on, secure your home in the Collective at Lubbock via amberstudent.com today.